Hi everyone, thanks for taking the time to watch my video about the U-Remote I/O system from Weidmueller. The quiz question that we had was basically how many networks did I talk about in the video, which is sort of a trick because you have to watch the video to find that out. The answer was 4. We had several different answers that were not that, but and the prize that you get out of this is from Weidmueller. It's actually a very nice toolkit, which I can show you here with a bunch of different tools that are useful for electrical people. So with that, Candace, could you run the random number generator for me?
Yes, sir. Number 29.
Number 29 is Stephen from Krones. So thank you very much, Stephen, and everyone else for taking the time. Watch for more videos coming soon, and have a great day.
Thanks.